What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Or for those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Sue. I want to show you guys some really easy, simple DIYs for your home because I thought that would be so much fun. And I've actually been wanting to make these for our home for some time now. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. First step is the bead garland. For this, you're going to need a comb. I also kept a needle handy but never actually needed it, 20mm wooden beads, a tape measure, macrame, and of course scissors. So to start, you'll need one 25-inch rope. You can of course make this longer, just keep in mind you'll need more beads. Now I didn't do this in the video, but you can wrap the end of your rope with some tape. This will actually make it a lot easier to thread the beads. Once you have all of your beads threaded, you'll need 32 pieces of 10-inch ropes to create the tassels, so 16 pieces per tassel. So taking 4 ropes at a time, just lay them out like I'm showing you. Once you have it all laid out, you just need to start tightening each end. So slowly just pull the ends towards the center. Now before we finish off tightening the tassel all the way, we want to attach our bead garland. Make sure to tightly tie this in place. I actually prefer to double or triple knot mine. Now you're going to need another 25-inch rope. We're going to use this to finish off the tassel. Quickly clean up the ends. Now it's totally up to you. You can leave your tassel like this or you can brush them out. It all depends on the look you're going for. I'm so happy I created these garlands. I was actually able to create 3 for the price of 1 and they turned out exactly as I imagined. So for our next DIY, we'll be needing macrame, a tape measure, scissors, and a comb. I've also been keeping all my random macrame pieces from past projects, so I'll actually be using those. So we'll be creating an 8-inch feather today, and for this we'll need a 20-inch piece. We're going to be calling this our center strand. Folding this in half, we want to create a double knot for the top of the feather. You'll also want to cut 26-inch and 12 8-inch pieces of rope. Starting with your shortest rope, place it folded in half under the center strand. Make sure that it's facing the right. Taking another 6-inch rope, fold it in half, and loop the ends of the first through this one, and the ends of this one through the first. I know it sounds totally confusing, but I'm hoping that seeing it on the screen will help. Okay, now we just want to pull tight. For the next set, you'll want to place your loop facing the left. We'll be alternating which way the first loop is facing each time. Start using the 8-inch ropes on your 5th row. We'll switch back to the 6-inch ropes as of the 11th row. This will help in creating the shape of the feather, as well as helping you save a little bit of macrame. Once all 16 rows are complete, we'll just knot off the bottom. Then just brush out the fringe and cut the feather to your liking. And if you're looking for some inspiration on how to style these feathers, be sure to check out my Pinterest board that I've linked below. So I really hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!